I'm currently the Division 5 Director on the Board of Directors of IEEE, and I'm also the Society and Council Review Committee Chair. You got a whole network of friends that you almost consider family, because you can go in a meeting and have a real debate and not agree at all, but you come out friends. I mean, if you are honest in your debates and you want to do well, you want the society to do well, you want IEEE to do well. And so you're all looking out for the better end, and the brainstorming and the debates really work. You have people around the globe that are interested, and they have, interesting conversations. They're working for greater good, better conferences, better publications. They're trying to give, our members a place to have, camaraderie, professional skill development. And, it's kind of, I've known people that have had rough jobs, but they live with, they can improve themselves and move up in the world by being an IEEE and, using some of the training, using some of the networks, getting their confidence when, sometimes you can be going through a rough spot.